Hello all, thank you all for joining the live. Meenakshi ma'am, please wait for a few seconds ma'am, the video will get cleared. Yeah. Is the video not clear? Mayu ma'am, hi. Thank you all for joining the live now. Let's wait for a few more minutes and we can start the show now. Chitra ma'am, hi. Hemalata ma'am, hi. Pratima ma'am, hi. Ma'am, hi. Yeah, Meenakshi ma'am, okay, yeah. Hello all, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. First of all, I need to thank you all for joining the live now. In this video, we are going to show you salwar materials that are priced under 1500 range. If you like to book any of the item, you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Okay, so can we start the show now? Mubina Begum ma'am, yeah, we are from E-Road ma'am, yeah. Okay ma'am, let's start the show now. This is the item number 1. First set, it's a semi-tussar fabric item. This is how the set looks. A full handwork item this is. Pink with grey color thread works on it. This is how the set looks. It's paired with an embroidered organza dupatta. This is the dupatta. A fully embroidered organza dupatta this is. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. This is the first set and we have got colors in this. The price of this item is 1290. Now let me show the colors in this. This is the second color. It's a light green with green color thread weaves. It's paired with a green color organza dupatta. This is a very, very soft organza, not a tissue type. Very comfortable to wear fabric this is. Same color organza dupatta and the same color cotton bottom. This is how the set looks. The price of this item is 1290. This is the third item. Third color in the same set. Pink color with the same color organza dupatta. This is the dupatta. Many are asking you for an organza dupatta, so we have got organza this time. This is how the set looks. If you like to book the item, you can take a screenshot of the item now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Video and audio not matching. Oh, okay ma'am. And this is the last color. Light sandal color kind. It's paired with the same color organza dupatta. This is how the set looks. The price of this item is 1290. The top fabric is semi-tussar and the dupatta is semi-organza. Sorry, not pure organza, and it's a cotton bottom. Now let's check the next second item now. This is a cotton set, green color cotton set. The kalamkari patchwork on the yoke. The patch also has some kanta stitch. It's paired with a very beautiful kanta stitch dupatta. This is the dupatta. The dupatta has a full kanta stitches on it. Very rich and an elegant item this is. The top fabric is cotton, the dupatta is also cotton. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1500. We also got colors in this. This is a kind of greyish pink. This is how the set looks. And this is the dupatta, fully kanta stitch dupatta this is. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1500. This is the maroon color. Very beautiful patchwork it has. And this is the dupatta. The dupatta is the highlight in this set. A very beautiful dupatta this is. This is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1500. All these items are already uploaded in our website, so you can directly log on to our website and you can place the orders, or else you can take a screenshot of the item now and you can WhatsApp us. And this is the last color, dark navy blue color. This is how the set looks. And this is the dupatta. A very beautiful item. It's the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1500. Let's move on to the third set now. This is a pure chanderi fabric. The full top has a marble print like this. It also has a patchwork on the bottom part. This is how the set looks. A very lightweight fabric this is. It's a pure chanderi, not a semi chanderi. This is a pure chanderi. The dupatta is the highlight in this set. This is the dupatta, pure chanderi dupatta. The dupatta also has got a kanta stitches on it. Yeah, this is how the set looks. Pure chanderi top with a chanderi dupatta and a same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1400. It's a very beautiful mustard yellow color set paired with the black color chanderi dupatta. This is the kanta stitches. I hope you could see this. We have got colors in this also. This is the second color. It's a brick red color. Very lightweight fabric this is. Very easy to carry and easy to maintain also. And this is the dupatta. Chanderi dupatta with the kanta stitches. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1400. We do deliver all over India with free of cost. You see what is not available with this. This is the third color. It's a red color, dark red color. This is the dupatta. Sorry. This is how the dupatta looks. I hope you could see the designs. It's paired with a cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1400. Let's move on to the next item now. This is again a semi-tussar fabric. The full hand works. This is how the set looks. A very elegant item this is. It's paired with a fully embroidered silk cotton dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks. It has got a bead work and also has a French knot work. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. This is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1185. It's a beautiful silver color with a light peachish pink combination. We have got beautiful colors in this. This is a light orange with red color, not red, it's a maroon color combination. Light orange, very light orange with a maroon color silk cotton dupatta. Dupatta also has a full embroidered work. This is how the set looks. This is the full embroidery work. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1185. The next is a beautiful combination, light sky blue with the red color combination. This is how the set looks. A beautiful sky blue with red combination. It's a very unique combination actually. Yeah, this is how the set looks. Light sky blue with red color combination. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1185. This is the last combination in the same set. It's a light baby pink with grey color combination. This is how the set looks. A beautiful bead work and also has got a thread work. It's got a grey color silk cotton dupatta. Light baby pink with grey color. The price of the set is 1185. This is the next set. It's a silk cotton set. This is a beautiful silk cotton set with all over thread motifs. Again, a dupatta is the highlight in this set also. It has got a very beautiful dupatta. Fully embroidered dupatta. Savita ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. This is the dupatta. A fully embroidered jute silk dupatta this is. Dupatta has got a full embroidery. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. This color is a beautiful color, light peachish pink color. It's paired with the jute silk dupatta. The price of the set is 1400. We have also got colors in this. This is the dark pink color, Rani pink color. A very elegant and a beautiful set this is, and it's a beautiful dupatta. Fully embroidered jute silk dupatta. This is how the set looks. A very lengthy dupatta also this is. And this is how the set looks. It has got a same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1400. The third color is a golden yellow color. Golden yellow color. It has got a beautiful jute silk dupatta. Dupatta has got a full embroidered work. The price of the set is 1400. You can take a screenshot of the item now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Jemshira ma'am, thank you so much. Kasturi ma'am, thank you. This is the last color in the same set. It's a nice blue color. Blue with this is a beautiful blue, like a copper sulfate blue. This is how the set looks. All these set has got a same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1400. This is the next set. It's a digital printed item. This is the beautiful digital printed item and also has some mirror works on it. This is how the set looks. It has got a beautiful digital printed silk cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. A full digital print dupatta and has got a contrast bottom. This is the bottom. Tomato, kind of tomato red color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1150. We have also got colors in this. This is a nice orange color top. I hope you could see the prints on it. It has also got a full mirror works. It's paired with the fully digital printed silk cotton dupatta. This is how the set looks. A light orange color. It's paired with a grey color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. Please log on to our website to order our items. We have given the website address in the description box, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com. Also, you can log in to www.shriya.shop. This is the third color in the same set. A nice green color with a silk cotton dupatta. The dupatta has got a full digital prints. Let's see the last color in the same set. This is the last color. It's a kind of golden yellow. This is a golden yellow color top. And a silk cotton dupatta. Yeah, this is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1150. In case if you want to see the pictures, you can directly log on to our website and see the pictures. We have uploaded all the pictures in the website, so you can kindly log on to our website and you can see the pictures of all the items. The price of the set is 1150. This is the next set. The soft cotton set. This is a soft cotton set. The Ajrak prints. It's paired with the satin silk dupatta. Ajrak printed satin silk dupatta. It's a cotton top with a Ajrak printed satin silk dupatta. It's paired with the contrast bottom, contrast navy blue color, contrast bottom. This is the bottom. This is not an original Ajrak dyed, it's an Ajrak print. but evenly it looks too good. This is the bottom. A dark maroon with a blue color satin silk dupatta and a contrast cotton bottom. Also we have got colors in this. Kausalya ma'am, thank you so much. This is the next color, an yellow with a bottle green combination. This is how the set looks. And it has got a satin silk dupatta. This dupatta is a very, very comfortable fabric actually. I hope you could see the flow of the fabric. This is how the set looks, and it has got a bottle green color contrast bottom. This is how the set looks. And the price of the set is 1185. The price of the set is 1185. And we have got another one color in this. It's a beautiful pale green with red color, brick red color combination. Beautiful pale green with a brick red color combination. It's an ajrak printed dupatta. This is not an ajrak dyed, it's an ajrak printed dupatta. This is how the set looks. A very, very comfortable fabric this is. The price of the set is 1185. And this is the next set. It's a very elegant pure ikat set. It has got a full kanta stitches. This is how the set looks. Pure ikat with the kanta stitches, and it's paired with a printed chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta, printed chiffon dupatta and a contrast cotton bottom. This is the bottom. Ikat is actually many of our favorite fabrics, so it also has got a kanta stitches on it. So looks very, very pretty. The price of the set is 1150. And this is a black and red, and we have got another combination in this, navy blue with red, which I shown before was a black and red, and now this is the navy blue with red. It's a pure ikat with kanta stitches on it. It's got a printed chiffon dupatta. Meenakshi ma'am, thank you. This is how the set looks. It's a dark navy blue with a red color combination. The price of the set is 1150. This is the next set. It's a very, very comfortable fabric. This is, it's a rayon, pure rayon with print all over prints on it. This is how the set looks. Very, very soft and comfortable fabric. This is rayon with full prints. It's paired with a chiffon dupatta. And a printed rayon bottom. This is the bottom. The bottom also looks too good in this. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1245. A very, very soft and comfortable fabric this is. No need to put lining also. You can stitch as it is. Malini ma'am, thank you. Uma ma'am, thank you. We have got colors in this. It's a grey with light peachish pink color combination. And we have got another combination in this. Kind of a light beige with light yellow color combination also we have got. This is the next combination. Light beige. The light yellow with a beige combination. And this is the dupatta. A printed rayon dupatta. The price of the set is 1245. In case if you want to see the pictures, kindly log on to our website and you can check the pictures of all these items. And you can see the next set. It's a pure Georgette fabric. Pure Georgette fabric with the hand works. This has got a embroidered chiffon dupatta. Fully embroidered chiffon dupatta. This is a dupatta. It has got a full embroidery work. And a contrast bottom. This is the bottom. A pure Georgette fabric this is. It has got a full French knot works. Full French knot works. Beautiful color, light grey color top. We have also got colors in this. This is a light onion pink color. Light onion pink color. It's paired with the same color chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta. Same color chiffon dupatta. And the same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1290. It's a pure Georgette top with a chiffon dupatta. This is the third color, light blue. It has got a beautiful handwork on the yoke. The price of the Georgette set is 1290. It has got a chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta. Dupatta and a contrast bottom. And this is the last color, baby pink. Baby pink color top. We have got two pinks in this, onion pink and also got a baby pink. So both the pinks looks too good actually. This is the dupatta and the same color bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1290. So this is the last set, pure cotton set. Many of you are asking for a pure cotton set. So this is the pure cotton set. The patchwork on yoke. And a printed soft cotton bottom. This is the dupatta and this is the printed cotton bottom. Printed cotton bottom. The price of the set is 935. This is the bottom. A black with a cream color dupatta. Very, very comfortable fabric. This is the price of the set is 935. We have got three colors in this totally. This is the dark bottle green. Dark bottle green with cream color combination. This is the dupatta. This is the dupatta and a printed bottom. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. Dark bottle green color. The price of the set is 935. This is the last set of today's show. A red color with a cream color combination. It looks like pink, but it's a red color. I think in the video it's looked like pink. Sagarika ma'am, thank you so much. This is the dupatta and a cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 935. We do deliver all over India with the free of cost, so no shipping charges is extra. That's all for today's show. I hope you all like the collections which we have shown today. Yeah, is it? Sagarika ma'am, thank you. Payal Bajaj ma'am, thank you. Uma ma'am, thank you. Many of you have messaged, but I have missed few messages. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Kindly log on to our website and you can place the orders. We have given the website address in the description box, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com or www.shriya.shop. If you have any issues, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is given in the description. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you. Number is 917-6641794. Thank you all for watching the video. I'll meet you by next Friday. Until then, stay tuned with our page. Kindly check our website regularly. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.